My brothers and sisters, I apologize if this video takes a long time, but if you listen to this video carefully, you will benefit a lot. May the peace, mercy, and blessings of Allah be with you all. The Islamic faith provides a moral compass to guide your actions and aspirations. Aligning your goals with Islamic values ensures you're striving for something meaningful and brings you closer to achieving success in the hereafter. Seek knowledge. The pursuit of knowledge is highly encouraged in Islam. Whether your goal is to become a doctor, a teacher, or an entrepreneur, gaining knowledge equips you with the tools to excel and contribute positively to society. Practice good character. Developing good character traits like honesty, kindness, and perseverance is essential for both worldly and spiritual success. These qualities will earn you respect, strengthen your relationships, and make you a better person overall. Serve your community. Islam emphasizes the importance of helping others. Consider how your goals can benefit your community, whether through volunteer work, charitable endeavors, or simply being a kind and supportive neighbor. The power of supplication, dua. Making dua, supplication, is a powerful way to connect with Allah and express your desires. While you put in the effort and hard work, dua acknowledges your dependence on Allah's ultimate will. The Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, said, "Supplication is the weapon of the believer, the pillar of Islam, and the light of the heavens and the earth." Finding strength in Islamic stories. The Quran and Hadith offer a treasure trove of inspiring stories about individuals who achieved great things through faith and perseverance. Consider the unwavering determination of Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, during the early days of Islam in Mecca. Despite facing persecution and hardship, he remained steadfast in his mission, ultimately leading to the establishment of Islam. Reflect on the resilience of Asiya, the wife of Pharaoh. Even surrounded by power and privilege, she refused to compromise her faith, demonstrating the importance of conviction in the face of adversity. Remember, these are just a few examples. Take time to explore the rich tapestry of Islamic stories and find those that resonate with your own goals and aspirations. Let their struggles and triumphs motivate you on your own journey. The importance of seeking knowledge. Knowledge is a valuable tool that empowers you to make informed decisions and navigate challenges on the path to achieving your goals. Seek knowledge from various sources, including the Quran and Hadith. These are the foundational texts of Islam and provide guidance on all aspects of life, including goal setting and achievement. Islamic scholars. Many scholars have written extensively on personal development and goal setting from an Islamic perspective. Explore their works to find practical advice and strategies. Mentors. Seek guidance from experienced individuals who can offer valuable insights and support throughout your journey. Remember, knowledge is not just about accumulating information. It's about applying that knowledge to your life in a meaningful way. This extended lecture offers a deeper dive into incorporating Islamic principles and practices into your goal-setting journey. May you find inspiration, knowledge, and strength as you strive towards your aspirations.